Ovaj program nije namijenjen za djecu mlađu od 12 godina. Dobrodošli u ovaj video, da. Sada smo u avionu, da!
In a few moments, we will explain the flight safety procedures on board this aircraft. Instructions will be
Dakle, ovo nije namijenjen za djecu mlađu od 12 godina. Još smo u avionu, to je opasno.
Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelt. This is how to fasten the seatbelt and tighten it. And this is how to open it. There are 6 emergency exits on board. 2 doors at the rear, 2 hatches in the center, and 2 doors at the front of the aircraft. Floor-level lighting will guide you to these exits. Please identify your nearest emergency exits, bearing in mind that these may be behind you. We will now demonstrate the use of the oxygen mask. If the cabin pressure drops, oxygen masks will appear automatically above all seats. Pull the mask towards you. This releases the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Adjust the headband and breathe normally. If you're traveling with children, put on your own mask first before helping the children. Details of all safety instructions are in the safety on board card, which is kept in the seat pocket. Please read this card carefully prior to takeoff. Please adjust the back of your seat to the upright position and fold away your tray table. For safety reasons, we ask you to stow your hand luggage in the luggage bins or under the seat in front of you. Smoking is prohibited on board. On behalf of KLM and partners, we wish you a pleasant flight.
switched off in a few minutes. However, we do recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. And if you need to collect your personal belongings, please be careful when opening the overhead luggage bins, and luggage may fall out unexpectedly.
Ito yung to, I